Hello and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you've received this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from a PCV valve replacement. Maintaining the health of your vehicle is essential for ensuring its longevity and performance. One often overlooked component that plays a crucial role in your engine's health is the positive crankcase ventilation valve, or PCV valve. Understanding its function and the importance of regular replacement can help you keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. What is a PCV valve? The PCV valve is a small but crucial part of your vehicle's emissions control system. It is responsible for regulating the flow of gases between the crankcase and the intake manifold. Essentially, it helps manage and recirculate the gases that escape from the combustion process and would otherwise accumulate in the engine's crankcase. By redirecting these gases back to the engine, the PCV valve helps reduce emissions and improve engine performance. Signs of a failing PCV valve include, but are not limited to, increased oil consumption. A failing PCV valve can lead to increased oil consumption as it may allow oil to be sucked into the engine. Engine performance issues. You may experience rough idle, poor acceleration, or decreased fuel efficiency if the PCV valve is not working correctly. Oil leak. A malfunctioning PCV valve can cause increased pressure in the crankcase, which may result in oil leaks. Check engine light. A faulty PCV valve can trigger the check engine light on your dashboard. Why regular replacement is crucial. Regular replacement of the PCV valve is essential for several reasons. Preventing engine damage. A malfunctioning PCV valve can lead to increased wear and tear on your engine's components. Replacing it at regular intervals helps prevent potential engine damage. Maintains fuel efficiency. A properly working PCV valve ensures that the engine runs efficiently, helping to maintain optimal fuel economy. Reduces emissions. By keeping the PCV valve in good condition, you contribute to reducing your vehicle's environmental impact by lowering emissions. Cost-effective maintenance. Replacing a PCV valve is relatively inexpensive compared to the potential cost regarding engine damage caused by a malfunctioning valve. How often should you replace the PCV valve? Well, it does range from manufacturer to manufacturer, typically every 40 to 60,000 kilometers, or every 2 years. Although if your PCV valve is clogged, immediate replacement may be recommended. The PCV valve might be a small component, but its role in maintaining your vehicle's performance, efficiency, and environmental compliance is significant. If you would like us to move ahead with this repair, please do let us know straight away. And if you have any additional questions, please do give us a call and we'll do our best to get them answered promptly. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to hearing from you soon.